Hello everyone, it's me Mohammad Saifullah Khan. Today is on our planet. It is Ozone Day, which is internationally making all around the world. So for this, I just share with you a few things. It was started from the 16th century in the history of the US, when from agriculture, economic development, and they reached toward industrialization. During that period, no one knows about these fumes that can spoil in an environment. So the industrial work and the innovations and the modernization in all around the world was established. During this, when after NASA have reached towards space, and the environmental pollutions and the environmental fumes and the spoilers information we got about that few hard rays are coming from the atmosphere, will hitting our planet, will increasing the increasing the temperature of the environment. So the NASA was quite become quite active about this. So they realize what is behind this. So they start they realize this, and during this they find that on our Earth, so in space, it was surrounded with a zone, which is ozone layer, which is protecting actually all the harmful and all the dangerous lights, waves which are coming from the sun, and they are and due to ozone it was reflected back the high frequencies and the high wavelength back, and the softer and the easier and peaceful waves was coming to the come from ozone layer to reach to the earth. So after this, when they realized this, the change which during this period, the 19th and 20th century was come, and the refrigerator CFCS in every home there is a refrigerator during this year around the globe. So due to its fumes, it start damaging ozone in the atmosphere, because and the car burning the CO2 gas and the use of greenhouse effect was also the reason for affecting this our globally. So now in 21st century, there are many American and many European and Western industries, Western big economic industrializations powers who want that India and China, due to they are causing pollution of these fumes, which is causing up global warming around the globe, because of which global ozone layer was damaging. So we need to overcome this camp, but so the Chinese and the Indian claim that why in say you are the starter of this disease cancer, to give to ozone layer, so you cannot stop our work. Due to this reason, a lot of climate change, climate problems people in the world face. And during this time, the most problem which has happened, the use of guns, the use of the nuclear weapon was made. The zero nuclear way of past president of USA was Obama, was zero nuclear, was a great successful